Once the work is completed in the roster, the completed work will be showed as blue in the roster screen, and it'll show that it's been worked. And in this case, work that hasn't been worked yet will be shown as published. So in this case, Bev Smith has worked on the 8th from 8:30 in the morning till 2 p.m. If we go ahead now and close that screen and we go over to the payroll and we go to working transactions, in the working transactions, if I select all my working transactions and come up here to the tools, I have a tool that's called Shift Import. And that will import all the shifts up until the 12th of April. So we go ahead and import that. And we look at our working transactions now. We go in and modify that. And we'll see here, if we click on that particular shift, we can see that it was completed on a particular date and time. So in this case, it was completed on the 11th of the 4th. And it was the time from 8:30 in the morning till 6 o'clock at night. And if we go over here to Bev Smith and we look at Bev Smith, and same thing, if we look at Bev Smith and we look at that particular time, we've got date from, in this case it's the 8th of the 4th, and the time from 8:30 in the morning till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So that is now loaded from the roster in payroll across into the working transaction, and from the working transaction we can then go ahead and generate a pay run, which will automatically generate our payslip, which we'd email, and also create our ABA file for uploading to the EFT to the banking. Thank you for taking the time to watch converting our rosters, importing the rosters into working transaction.